Closing arguments in Lindsay Clancy's murder trial are now scheduled to start tomorrow. Jurors have now heard all of the testimony in the case that has gripped the nation. The prosecution's final rebuttal witness returned to the witness stand today, testifying that Clancy appeared to have deliberately planned to kill herself and her 3 children back in January of 2023. While Clancy, who's from Connecticut, admits she killed her children, the defense argues this Massachusetts mother is not criminally responsible because she was over-medicated and suffering from the rare condition of postpartum psychosis.